In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Canva server error. If Canva suddenly shows a message like server error, 500 internal server error, or something went wrong, it can be incredibly frustrating, especially when you're in the middle of editing a design, finishing a presentation, or trying to export an important file. The good news is that this usually does not mean your work is gone. In many cases, it simply means the connection between your browser and Canva's servers has temporarily failed. I'll walk you through how to check whether the problem is on Canva's side or your own device, and then how to fix the most common causes safely. First, open a new browser tab and go to status.canva.com. This is Canva's official status page, and it lets you see whether key services are currently working properly. Pay close attention to areas like the editor, login services, and overall site performance. If you see an outage or ongoing maintenance, the problem is most likely on Canva's end, and the best option is to wait a little while and try again later. But if everything is marked as operational, then the issue is probably local to your browser session. Next, clear your browser cache and site data. In a browser like Chrome, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select Clear Browsing Data. Set the time range to all time, then make sure cookies and other site data and cached images and files are selected. After that, click Clear Data. This helps remove corrupted temporary files that can prevent Canva from loading or syncing properly. After that, check your browser extensions. Some ad blockers, privacy tools, or script filtering extensions can interfere with Canva's connection to its servers. Click the extensions icon near the top right of your browser and temporarily disable anything that might block scripts, cookies, or website tracking. This can often solve loading and syncing issues immediately. If the error still appears, try opening Canva in an incognito or private window. Go to your browser menu and open a new incognito window or new private window, then visit canva.com and sign in again. This creates a clean session and helps avoid conflicts caused by multiple accounts or outdated login data. Finally, return to Canva and do a hard refresh. On Windows, press Ctrl and F5. On a Mac, press Command, Shift, and R. This forces the browser to reload the page directly from Canva's servers instead of using old cached content. Once the page reloads, look for the save indicator and make sure it says all changes saved. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you.